Hello, Steve Shoemaker here from hotwebsitehosting.com, and we're talking today about a secure website hosting solution for your personal blog or business website. And today we're talking about Bluehost, which I think really fits the bill as far as a secure website hosting solution goes for your business or, again, personal website. So let's get into what kind of different hosting they have. So let's start with the most secure, and that would be dedicated hosting. Let's give that a minute to open up. Excuse me. And while it's opening up, we'll just talk about, what dedicated hosting is. It's a lot like what it sounds like. You have, one dedicated server and one account. And, if you're looking for the ultimate in security, speed, flexibility, and control over your hosting, then dedicated hosting is the way to go. Again, one account, one server, let's say, versus shared hosting where you have one server and many different accounts. Now, it's definitely not the cheapest hosting, but as you can see, as of right now, they are having specials, and I'll provide that link below the video as well. And you can get an actual, get a discount on the prices per month. Now, again, it's how important hosting is to you. What kind of properties you're hosting online. Do you need that? Do you need that extra security? Do you need that speed? If that's the case, then again, dedicated hosting is the way to go. And one good thing about Bluehost is they actually have a team of people that are assigned to dedicated hosting. They're dedicated hosting customers. So, a lot of emphasis is taken there to provide good customer support. So let's go to the next securest option, which would be VPS hosting, which is a virtual private server. Okay, so you can think of this as a lot like dedicated hosting, but without the price. So whereas you have a dedicated hosting, you have one server, one account. With the virtual private server, you still have multiple accounts on there, but you get, you don't have as many as you would with shared hosting. So if you have a virtual private server account, you get a good slice of that server. So you're getting a lot of the same benefits as dedicated hosting, like, extra security, extra speed, the flexibility, control over your hosting in your account, but without the cost. So, the cost is lowered significantly with the virtual private server. But again, as far as security goes, this would probably be my second choice as far as an account, having an account. Now let's go to WordPress hosting. Okay. Now WordPress hosting, this is hosting that is designed specifically for WordPress. I mean, from the ground up, it's built to integrate into WordPress. And what it does is it accentuates all the good stuff for WordPress and makes it even faster. I mean, WordPress will, it'll blaze. It's a lot more secure. And again, it's a lot simple. And, the prices are not bad at all. You know what I mean? I mean, you've got, starting from $19.99 going all the way to $49.99. And again, if you notice, they are offering some discounts here. And again, I'm going to provide this link so you can get to take advantage of these discounts. But if you're running a WordPress site as your content management system, this is definitely the way to go, I would say, and I would definitely look into this. Okay. So my next choice, I guess, again, would be cloud hosting. Cloud hosting is where instead of having one server, your account is on multiple servers. So it's a network basically that is hosting your account, and or a cloud, quote unquote a cloud. So some advantages are it's very fast, easy to set up. And another advantage is, like, for instance, with Bluehost, your account is on three different servers, or three different devices, as they call it. So if one goes down, okay, or two go down, you can still access your account through the server or the device that's still working. So you got the security of knowing that if something goes down, you have two other servers or one other server, and the possibility of three going down at once are just, probably astronomical. But you would have the security of knowing that if one device goes down or two devices go down, your account, your data is still stored in another device, so you'll still be able, your website will still be up, and you'll have normal operation of your site without any interruption. Now, of course, the last but not least is shared hosting. And again, I picked on shared hosting a little bit in this video, but I've had multiple shared hosting accounts, multiple websites on shared hosting accounts. Never really had a problem. One time, one of the servers did get hacked. They hacked into the website as well, and I was notified that my website was sending out thousands of spam emails and all kind of stuff. And so basically it was corrupted, and the only way to save it was to pay money to have it cleaned up. And really, it just wasn't cost effective at the time. But so I just shut it down. But normally, shared hosting has worked great. I'll be honest with you. Now, there has been an instance where I have been working on a website, and I did something wrong, and I accidentally crashed it and messed up the CSS and the design and stuff. But luckily, the service I was with backed up the site once a week. So that would be the one thing that I would look for. Is security, and look at does the hosting provider back your site up. I could say that particular provider at the time backed the site up every Sunday, so I was able to get an older version of the website back online within a couple of days, no charge, and I was back in business. So if you're going to use shared hosting, again, I've rarely had problems with it. But as far as security goes, as far as a secure website hosting solution, it is not the best, but it's also not the worst. So that shouldn't discourage you if you can't afford the other options. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Again, I will provide the link where you can take advantage of these discounts below the video, and I'll also have a link to a blog that I wrote about this topic that goes a little more in depth in this video. So anyway, thanks for watching, and have a great day.